Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I also want to take you through another design of a mansionette. So if you're planning to build a spacious and modern family home, this type of a mansionette is one of the most popular choices in Kenya. So in this video, we take a look at the design, layout, and key features of this beautiful mansionette. From the exterior, this mansionette features a modern architectural design with a stylish balcony, large windows that allows plenty of natural light and ventilation. Uh, from the entrance, porch creates a welcoming feels odds to the family. Adds the beauty of the house. So on the ground floor, it features a spacious lounge area designed for family relaxation, entertaining guests. And next to the lounge area, we have the dining area, which is located closer to the kitchen. The kitchen is modern, spacious, with enough space for cabinets, appliances, and also food preparation. It also have a pantry, uh, which acts as a additional food storage, not additional storage for food stuffs, kitchen stuffs, appliances, and others. Um, it's also include a guest bedroom on the ground floor, making it convenient for visitors or elderly members. It also has a cloakroom for guests. So when we move to the upper floors, we find the remaining bedrooms. Of course, the master bedroom is en suite, and often includes a private balcony, space for wardrobes, and the other bedrooms are well sized, share a common bathroom. In some designs, the upper floors may also have an office, family lounge, study area, gym. Yeah, so it will depend with the client's preference. Uh, so the major advantage of this mansionette is that it is efficient, used for vertical space. By building upwards, you create more space uh, outside for parking, landscaping, outdoor activities, playground, even gazebos. Yeah, it can work. So this four-bedroom mansionette offers a space, comfort, a modern architectural appeal, making it perfect for families looking for a stylish and functional home. So if you are interested in this house plan or any other in our websites, or any that you have, and you want to build your dream house, you want your dream home, kindly don't hesitate to reach us out. And also another thing, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos. So you can get us on, or you can contact us on 0724481087 or 0789217685. You can also email us at info@westkenyarealestate.com. West Kenya Real Estate Limited, building your dream home. Thank you and have a lovely day, lovely evening. Yeah, bye.